Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I fix my smoked sausage jambalaya. Cajun style. It's good. It's good. Stick around. Then we'll start with our bell peppers here. Get our bell pepper all cut up. Add our green peppers in there with our red. We'll go ahead and turn some heat on. Turn it to about medium. Add a couple, 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there with it. We'll slice our onion up. And we'll add our onions to it. I'm going to chop my onions up now, but I won't put them in until a little bit later. Cut these into look like about 1/2-inch strips. Somewhere in that neighborhood. It's a pretty easy recipe to fix. Doesn't take too long to fix it. Ingredients are pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Tony Chacri's, or however I pronounce it, I guess that's right. And it's pretty good stuff. I put probably 2 tablespoons on it, something like that. Yeah, they've been cooking for a pretty good while now. Turn my heat down just a little bit. Man, that's smelling awful good. Now I want to add my crushed tomatoes. My green onions are chopped up there. put in some Frank's Red Hot sauce. A couple tablespoons, more or less. Turn my heat back up just a little bit. I want to add just a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. And they're not going to work that way. Half a tablespoon of kosher salt, and about that much black pepper. Now you want to heat that up to a boil. And I think we're pretty much there. Now I've got 6 cups of long grain rice. And it's hot. Now I've got a 1/2 pound of large shrimp. I've got them peeled, the tails removed, deveined. They're raw. I'll add them in there. Turn my heat back up just a little bit. And then cover it for a little bit. Let the shrimp cook. Got to have a little more of this. Got to have a little more of this. That just makes it go pop. I think we're done. Hey guys, appreciate you watching. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe and tell your friends, share it. Help me out here. Hey, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.